Did you know that according to the World Wildlife Fund, wildlife populations have seen a staggering 60% decline in just over 40 years? This decline is more than just a statistic. It's a wake-up call, a stirring nudge to the collective consciousness of humanity, urging us to pay attention to the world outside our urban jungles. Imagine the vast savannas of Africa, the lush rainforests of the Amazon, or the icy tundra of the Arctic. These are not just beautiful landscapes to marvel at, but they are complex ecosystems teeming with life, each species playing a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of nature. As we lose wildlife, we are not just losing beautiful creatures, we are chipping away at the very foundation of these ecosystems. Wildlife conservation is not a new concept, but the urgency of it has never been more palpable. The challenges faced by conservationists are monumental, from the vast areas that need to be monitored to the difficulty in gathering accurate data. Traditional methods of tracking and monitoring wildlife are labor-intensive and time-consuming, often providing incomplete or outdated information. The enormity of the task at hand is overwhelming, but it's not a battle we can afford to lose. Our planet's biodiversity is at stake, and with it, the health of the ecosystems that support all life on Earth, including ours. But as the saying goes, every cloud has a silver lining. In our case, the silver lining is not just a glimmer of hope, but a beacon of promise, a new ally in our fight to protect and conserve wildlife. This ally is not a superhero from a comic book or a magical creature from a fantasy novel. It's much more real, and its potential far-reaching. It's artificial intelligence. Yes, you heard it right. The same technology that's transforming industries from healthcare to transportation is now lending its capabilities to the cause of wildlife conservation. The challenges are monumental, but a new ally has emerged in the form of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing many fields, and wildlife conservation is no exception. At its core, AI is a branch of computer science that involves the creation of intelligent machines that work and react like humans. It's about teaching machines to learn from experience, adjust to new inputs, and perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence. In the realm of wildlife conservation, AI is being harnessed in groundbreaking ways. Imagine AI-powered camera traps that can identify, count, and track animals in their natural habitats, or sophisticated data analysis systems that can sift through vast amounts of information, identifying patterns and trends that might otherwise go unnoticed. And let's not forget about advanced tracking systems that use AI to monitor the movements and behaviors of endangered species. These are just a few examples of the transformative power of AI in this field. Now let's delve into some real-world applications of AI in wildlife conservation. In the dense forests where many endangered species live, traditional monitoring methods fall short. Enter AI-powered camera traps. These are not your typical cameras. They are designed to be autonomous, capable of capturing wildlife in their natural habitats without the need for human intervention. Here's how they work. These camera traps are equipped with motion sensors and infrared technology that detect the presence of an animal. Once detected, the camera snaps a picture or records a video. But here's where the magic happens. These cameras are powered by artificial intelligence algorithms that can identify the species captured in the image or video. They can distinguish a tiger from a deer, a bird from a squirrel. This is a game changer as it saves researchers countless hours sifting through thousands of photos and videos, allowing them to focus on data analysis and conservation strategies. Now, let's dive into a real-world example. In the remote rainforests of Borneo, the orangutan population has been dwindling due to habitat loss and hunting. Traditional monitoring methods prove challenging due to the dense forest cover and the elusive nature of these apes. However, AI-powered camera traps have been a game changer. These cameras, hidden amidst the dense foliage, silently observe and record the orangutans in their natural habitat. The AI algorithms have been trained to recognize orangutans, so every time an orangutan swings by, the camera captures the moment. Not only has this resulted in a more accurate count of the orangutan population, but it also provides valuable insights into their behaviors, feeding patterns, and movements. This data is crucial in devising effective conservation strategies to protect these endangered apes. So you see, AI-powered camera traps are revolutionizing the way we study and protect wildlife. They are providing us with a glimpse into the secret lives of animals that was previously unimaginable. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. Camera traps are just the beginning. AI is also making waves in data analysis. Imagine sifting through thousands of hours of footage or millions of photos. This is where AI comes to the rescue. It's no secret that wildlife conservation is a data-intensive field. From tracking migration patterns to analyzing population densities, there's a massive amount of data to sort through. This is where artificial intelligence, or AI, steps in to lend a helping hand. AI has an incredible ability to analyze large volumes of data quickly and accurately, a task that would be near impossible for humans to do in a reasonable amount of time. This fast and efficient data analysis helps conservationists make more informed decisions faster. Let's take a peek at a real-world example to understand how AI data analysis is revolutionizing wildlife conservation. A project in the Serengeti National Park in Tanzania turned to AI for help in managing a colossal amount of data. Researchers set up hundreds of camera traps across the park, resulting in millions of photos. Sifting through these photos manually would take an eternity, but with AI, they were able to quickly identify and classify the animals in the photos. This data was then used to track animal populations and movements, leading to a better understanding of the ecosystem. What's even more impressive is that the AI system was trained to recognize the animals with a high degree of accuracy, even in challenging conditions like low light or when the animal was partially obscured. The use of AI in data analysis isn't just about speed and efficiency, it's also about accuracy. By removing the potential for human error, AI ensures the data used in wildlife conservation is as accurate and reliable as possible. The Serengeti project is just one example of how AI is transforming wildlife conservation. Across the globe, conservationists are turning to AI to help them analyze data, track animals, and protect endangered species. From analyzing data to tracking animals, AI's role in wildlife conservation is expansive. There's no doubt that as AI continues to evolve, it will play an increasingly important role in protecting our planet's precious wildlife and ecosystems. Tracking animals in their natural habitats is no easy task. But with AI, we are able to gain unprecedented insights. Imagine trying to keep an eye on a nimble snow leopard in the Himalayas, or a swift sea turtle navigating the vast oceans. It's like finding a needle in a haystack, right? But that's where artificial intelligence steps in, turning the impossible into possible. AI-powered tracking systems use a combination of GPS, motion sensors, and machine learning algorithms to monitor animal movements. These high-tech devices can accurately track and record an animal's location, speed, and direction, providing valuable data that helps us understand their behaviors and migration patterns. For example, take the case of elephants in Africa. Researchers have been using AI to track these majestic creatures, helping to prevent human-elephant conflicts and illegal poaching activities. The AI system can predict the movements of elephant herds, allowing local communities to take preventive measures and coexist peacefully. Furthermore, these tracking systems are also essential in identifying changes in animal behavior, which can often be early warning signs of environmental issues, such as climate change or habitat destruction. So you see, AI isn't just about robots and smart devices. It's a powerful ally in our quest to protect and conserve wildlife. As you can see, AI is an invaluable tool in wildlife conservation. Now that we've seen the impact of AI in wildlife conservation, you might be wondering how you can contribute. Well, the good news is, there are countless ways to get involved and make a difference. You could consider making a donation to a wildlife conservation organization. Your funds would be instrumental in supporting the research, development, and implementation of AI technologies in the field. These technologies are not just about capturing stunning wildlife photos. They are crucial tools in the fight against extinction and habitat loss. If you have more time than money, volunteering is another way to contribute. Many conservation organizations need help with fieldwork, data analysis, and community outreach. Who knows, you might even get the chance to work directly with AI technologies, like camera traps or tracking systems. But perhaps the most powerful thing you can do is raise awareness. Talk about wildlife conservation and the role of AI in it. Share this video with your friends, post about it on social media, start conversations. The more people know about these issues, the more support we can generate. Supporting AI technologies in wildlife conservation is not just about preserving our planet's biodiversity. It's about ensuring a healthy, balanced ecosystem for future generations. Remember, every effort counts. Together, we can make a difference for our planet's wildlife. Don't forget to subscribe to Brainiacata for more intriguing insights into how technology is shaping our world.